You know, leadership is something you actively strive toward. If you've been looking for a way to get more involved in the Realtor community, expand your network, and grow your business, leadership and communication skills,
let Bay East Leadership Identification and Development Committee help guide you.
LIDC was created to help our members get more involved in our amazing community.
We'll help match you to a committee, work group, or a task force that best suits you by looking at your availability, experience, and most importantly, your passions.
With a variety of focus areas ranging from diversity initiatives or supporting local students through the Bay East Foundation to the MOS technology and professional standards. Everyone can find their niche here.
By getting involved with the association, you get to have a say in how we grow, operate, and shape the future of the association.
To get started, visit the Resources tab on the association website, www.bayeast.org, or email us at lidc@bayeast.org. Every member should have the opportunity to get involved. Start your leadership journey today.